Today, I'm taking a look at the M185 wireless mouse from Logitech. I am the before you buy guy, and on this channel I make videos to help you be better informed before you buy a piece of technology. I'm going to be taking a detailed look at this wireless mouse from Logitech and talking you through the features, the product specifications, helping you to decide if this is the right wireless mouse for you. Let's get started. Like most wireless mice you can buy, the M185 is plug and play. You plug in the little dongle and then the mouse is good to go. There's no software that's required. It doesn't come with a CD and you don't have to download any software. The M185 features instant pairing technology with a range of up to 10 meters. Which is pretty good. It runs on 2.4 gigahertz wireless. Now this should give you a really reliable, stable connection, but keep in mind if you have a lot of devices that are running on 2.4 gigahertz, this can impact your internet speed or other 2.4 gigahertz devices if you have too many running in a small space. Inside the box, you'll find the following. This packaging has some information about the device. You get the mouse itself and the mouse's USB receiver, as well as a warranty leaflet. You do get a AA battery with this mouse to get you started. At the top of the mouse, as you'd expect, you have three main buttons: right click, left click, and the middle scroll button, which you can also click. At the back of the mouse, you'll find the product name, M185, written here at the back. There's an on-off switch, and down here you have the optical sensor. So you have the battery compartment, which slides open to reveal the AA battery, which comes included. The top of this mouse comes in a grey colour, but I have seen the same mouse for sale, also in the colours of red and blue. One thing that I like about this mouse is it's very ergonomic. The mouse fits really comfortably into the hand, and the mouse buttons and scroll wheel fall into a natural position. Having said that, this mouse is smaller than a typical mouse. If you have really large hands, you might find this mouse is a bit too small for you. Another feature of this mouse is inside the battery compartment, you will find a little section that you can store the USB dongle. This is really convenient because without the USB dongle, this mouse is useless. And if your dongle's not being used, it's not plugged into your computer, it's really small, so it's easy to lose. By having a spot for you to store that dongle, in theory, you won't lose it when you're not using it, which will save you having to throw out this mouse just because you've lost the dongle. In terms of navigating and real-world use using this mouse, I found it pretty easy to use. It's fine for surfing the web or general browsing or even editing videos. I had no problems when using this mouse. This mouse has a DPI of 1000. Now, DPI stands for dots per inch. It's basically measuring how responsive the mouse is to finer, more detailed movements. Now this is really important for someone who's maybe a competitive gamer or a graphic designer, somebody who needs to have really accurate and detailed fine movements of the mouse. Honestly, that's not most people. So if you just want a mouse to use for everyday computing, surfing the web, and just general use, I think you'll find this mouse is fine. But if you're looking for something that's going to be high-end and really have those fine, precise movements, I probably wouldn't recommend this mouse. You might want to go with something that's a bit more higher end and has a higher DPI rating. In summary, this mouse is cheap and effective. It does exactly what it's advertised to do. A little bit smaller than the average mouse, but apart from that, I really don't have any complaints to say. If you're looking for a reliable but budget wireless mouse solution, this could be a great option for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found that video to be even just a little bit helpful. If you did, please subscribe. I'll see you next time.